Hi, good evening all. Today we'll discuss about new topic, data dictionary. First of all, what is the data dictionary? It's a data dictionary is a central repository in SAP that store the data definitions of data that used in SAP. Okay, and before gone through the data definition, and before we can discuss about and already discussed topic, complex data types. What's the complex data types? Complex data types is the structures, views, and data tables. Okay, these are the complex data types, and all these complex data types will create in data dictionary. That's why we discussed what's the complex data type. And next, and we can call this data dictionary in DDIC. Okay, next this data definition structures or tables, views, etc. These all are it's a globally we can use it. Okay, the main advantage of this one data dictionary, it's a reusability. Okay, and even it's a everywhere this data dictionary fields available, and like it's a function modules, programs, and include programming and screens, reports, and everywhere, etc. Everywhere it will be available. And the main transaction code and for this data dictionary is SC11. Okay, let's open it's a SC11 first. Okay, see SC11. SC11 is it's a data dictionary. Okay, before creating and this anything, these all the things, and we can discuss about one by one. Here it's a data dictionary. We have multiple. One is the database table. And what is the database table? It's a database table is and purpose, I mean store data permanently in database. That's why actually we can use that database table, right? And yeah, there are three types of database tables, and one is the transparent database table, and pooled data table, and clustered table. Okay, three types of the tables in database, and three types of the tables. And next one, view, and what's the view, and what's the use of view. And view main thing is a combined data from one or more tables. That's the main thing. And views, and there are four types of views in here. One is the database view, and projection view, and maintenance view, and four is help view. These are the four types of views. Next we can discuss about data type. And data type, it's a define the type of an internal table. Okay, that's the data type. We can create in here it's a data elements, structures, and table types. You can see in here search help. You can see, oh sorry, not in here. I think it's a data types. Will show you that one. And sorry, I think not in here. Okay, and next we'll discuss about type group, and most of the time we can't use this one. Okay, then it's a domain. It's a domain, actually it's a describe the technical attributes such as data types, length of the table fields, and these all the things. Actually it's a domains. And the next one, it's a search help. Search help is a provide a value help, I mean F4 help. And there are two types of search help, and one is the elementary search help, second one is the collective search help, and final one, it's a lock object. Why do you use lock object? Control access to the data. And there are two types. Okay, locks. One is the NQ lock, second one is the DQ lock. Okay, DQ lock means release the lock, NQ lock means it's a locking. Okay, these are the types. And this is the overall, it's a high level introduction of these all the things, all the table, whatever here it's showing, right? It's a fields overall. And today we'll discuss about, yeah, in here it's a database table, right? And how to create database table, and how many ways, how many approaches to create a database table, and we can discuss in here. And yeah, there are two approaches. We can create a database table first, and that one is the top down, and the second one is the bottom up. Okay, top down approach means, and first we'll create database table, and after that field, and after that data element, next domain creation. This is the process. And coming to it's a bottom up approach, it's a reverse, complete reverse. First create domain, second data element, third field, finally database table. These are the two approaches. First we'll discuss about it's a top down approach. Yeah, let's start. First I will create, first step, let's create a database table. Okay, in here just I will take it's a the T1. Okay, yes you are, for example DB table. I think it's very limited. Okay, DB table, and yeah, it's just create, and here logical. Okay, constant use here. Now first database table, here short description. Okay, then here delivery class, you can search help, you can use it's a application table, either master data and transaction data, you can use this one first. Okay, then here it's a three options. It's a display maintenance allowed with restrictions or without restrictions and not allowed. We can select allowed, all the things. Okay, then it's a fields and all the things we'll take later. Just create, this is the first step. Here we can use it's a, as usual it's a default package right now, and click on save. Okay, then next one fields. Fields means second step. First table creation, top down approach. Second one is the field creation. Here first we can take it's a mandate, and this one is the standard field. Just we can use this one, standard one, and data element mandate, and click on enter. Okay, this is no change. Now we can write it's a primary key. Okay, our own data field. First one is the cust. Okay, cust number or std number, student number. Okay, student number, and here z element. Okay, before that one, and after field creation what we need, it's a data element. Okay, so we can create a data element, it's a student. Okay, how to create, just click on here. This is the new one, right? See, we don't have anything, that's why it's showing it's a length 0 and decimal 0. Then it's a double click here. Okay, save. Before existing, create, here it will ask in case this data element is not available, it will ask create the data element. Yes. Okay, then here short description, student data element. Okay, data element short description. Okay, and before data element we created data element. Next, what's the next step? It's a final one, it's a domain creation. Again here we can write z mean it's a domain, or else it's a ZDM domain, whatever it may be. And student. Okay, ZDM student. Okay, here click on, is a no active domain, and then double click here and save existing before, and click on here. Okay, create domain as, okay, student domain, just short description. Okay, here it's a data type, and you can student domain, it's a character string, character length, it's a 10. Okay, just click on, it's a by default it's came this one. If you want, you can click on it's a lowercase. Here it's a main. If you select lowercase means it will come, it's a lower and upper. In case if you will not select this one, it's a only uppercase will be available. So let's select, and this is the one. Next, value range. Later we'll discuss this value range and all the things. First, this is the simple way how to create a domain. Just click on save, and first activate domain. Okay, just only activate domain. Okay, activate domain. Okay, done, right? Go back, domain creation done. Then second one, and before that one, it's a data element. It's a data element. See, we already created. If you want predefined data type, you can use the predefined. If you want a reference type, and you can use this radio button. Okay, now we have we create our own, it's a data element. Okay, in here data type and field label. Yeah, you can check in here first. 10. Okay, medium 5. That's what you will give. It's a field label. It's a std. Yeah, okay, std number. Okay, medium student number. It's a long. You can write student number, and here it's a heading also, student number. You can copy this one, it will help for later, and further characters, and these all. Okay, then it's a click on save, and now activate data element. Okay, click on save. Okay, and student, ZDE student, DE means it's a data element, and activate. Error occurred. Why error occurred? Okay, and yeah, and no, this one is the length is 6, greater than maximum length 5. So go back, and where is this one? Field label and student number, just like this, and save, activate. Okay, activation done. Next, and previous object, go back. Okay, now domain done. Back to friend. It's a first last one is the domain, and second last one is the data element, and next one is the field. Okay, this is the field. Okay, and this one is the primary. You can select. Next, one more field, student name. Okay, yeah, student name. Here you can write already existing field, name one. We can select existing one, this one somewhere. It's a existing data element, that's why it's came, it's a length. Okay, and if you want it's a something, it's a Kunnar, I mean age or something, student age, and Kunnar. This one also predefined. Okay, this one is the customer name, but it's okay, already predefined, right? That's why it's a short name is came. Okay, leave it. Okay, that one is, don't consider that names and all the things. Before that one, delivery maintenance and everything is done. Just click on save and activate, and here you can give data class APPL0. This one is the master and transparent table, already we discussed this one. And size category, right now we can 0, and if you want to you can use 1 also, no issue. And here just click on save. Okay, click on save, and activate also done. It's a go back. Do you want to display activate log? No, I think it's not required. Okay, now everything is done. Okay, we created, it's a database table, Okay, in the database table we have done it's a fields, and after that data elements, and after that domains. Everything activation is done. If you want, you can see in here. And do you want to display no? Okay, that's done. Then after that, what you will do, then go to statement, technical settings, and here it's no, just go back once. There wasn't active, only it's a active version on the technical settings, like just okay. Go back and just back. Now what we need, it's a database table. In this database table also, just go to no, where is the technical settings, and here what we'll do, table and maintenance, this one, table and maintenance. If you want to edit the table, I mean we need records, right? We created it's a table, but it's a no records, then it's okay. Is the table created or not, we want to see, right? And a display. Okay, this is the table, it's a contains. Okay, click on contains. You can see student number, student name, age, these are the fields we have, and like this. Okay, but if you will click execute, we don't have any data, that's why no table entries found in the specific key. Okay, then go back. If you want to edit, okay, the table, it's a two ways. One is there is directly go to its a maintenance table and then enter the data, and second one through the queries, database queries we have, right? Insert and append, these queries we can insert the data. So in here, first how do you maintenance, then so go to utility, table maintenance generator. Here authorization, it's a no authorization, you can see no authorization group, function group, this one copy and paste. Okay, then here you can select it's a one step or two steps. Okay, and let me say one step means only one screen, two step means it's a two screens, it's a first one, and click on that one, and then one more pop-up will appear. In that pop-up only we can add all the fill all the information, then it's a click on save. It's a two-step verification, like that. It's that one, it's a, we can see it's a one step. Okay, and click on, and here we can see, and standard record routine, and second one is the no or user record routine. What's the difference? This one, it's a main thing, and this one is the no TR is required, only transparent tables. I mean this one, if you don't want to transparent table, means it's a just a temporary use, and no need to those table or whatever this data, no need to send to and higher level, higher environment. I mean it's a dev to UAT and UAT production, not required. That's why it's a no TR is required. If you need that master data, if you want to, or standard fields, anything, if you want to send a UAT level or any, it's a production level, then you can select a standard record routine, then it will ask TR and all the things. Okay, now no need that one, so click on this radio button. Just here it will ask, and screens also, how many screens it required, just create. Okay, create, and 3 times, I think 3 times, click on save. Okay, now this one is created. Okay, let's wait a few seconds. I think it will not take much time, we'll see. Yeah, perfect. So everything is done. Then go back now. Okay, then go to one more. If you will open, it's a one more session, click on this one, it's a one more session will open. Okay, here maintenance table T code, what's the maintenance table, SM30. Okay, here what's the database table, SUR, this is our table, right? And click on display. Now see student number, name, and customer. Okay, here we can write edit mode, and where is edit? Click on change new entries. Okay, student number 100, student name Surya. Sorry, what is this? Customer, why customer? Okay, that guy name need to change those names. It's okay. And name, okay, customer also okay. Customer age, we already given for age this one. Right now we can give something. It's like 35 like this, and later will change to 100. It's something like it's 300 something Anil, and it's 28, and 400 Venki, and 55 500. Okay, and 500 who is Venki Nog. Okay, 60. Okay, like this. Click on save. Okay, click on save, go back. Okay, now we already done. It's a data already we entered. Okay, again we'll go to S11. Okay, go back to S11, back. Okay, our table is, this is the table, right? And the different swing, and then it's a display, then it's a contains. Click on contains. Here contains, just you don't need to enter anything. If you need specific records, and based on name, if you want to anything, okay, then you can enter those things, particular records if you want. Otherwise, if you need all the records, then click on execute. See, wow, all the data is came. Now you know how to create database table, okay, in dictionary, and next we'll discuss about its views and remaining all the things. Okay, I hope everyone is understand this topic. Yeah, have a nice day. Bye.